Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis for BankNifty. Today is Monday, 19th of June 2023, and the current time is 9:04 a.m. IST. And let me just quickly share my screen and I'll start the session. Okay. So first of all, if I just look from the the heat map or from the higher time frame chart. What we had is we had earlier two single prints, and then we just slightly the price moved higher. So let me just open the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so previously what had happened was I was actually looking at this. This is the first single print, and this is the second single print. So option, the current the Friday's open, it was within the single print zone. So I was expecting the previous day's low to be taken out and see the price moving lower, but it did not happen. What happened is clearly the A period, the single print was taken out, and then I saw some rejection at the point of control of Thursday. So this is where I was expecting some supply to step in, but what was happening is we did had a lot of trapped supply around this zone. So failure for the supply to be taken out, that's one data point which was telling me that the selling is not strong. Second data point is 43,625, so this was the reference level, and that's where the A period low was formed. So price did not move lower. So the market generated information was telling me that failure for price to move lower, it means price will try to go at this level. Okay, again price again failed to move lower at this zone, and then again the target was the upper level. So that's what is happening is we had a good short covering rally and found supply around 44,234, and the close is again above 44,000 level. So if you checked my Friday's analysis before, or the pre-market analysis, I said that 44,000 is an important reference zone, and what has happened is in just a single 2 days, in 2 days the price again moved back above the 44,000 level. So for today again, for me 44,000 is an important reference level to be considered in terms of how the price and how the auction is gonna develop. Okay, and if I just add the volume profile, so we are still way below the volume point of control of the month of June, but we did found where the supply is shutting off. So overall we are still trading within the previous month's balance of the May contract, and we are currently seeing supply coming above the value area high. Okay, so from the higher time frame, I'm looking for supply to be coming in, but more or less we in the current auction we have a single print zone. So first of all, I'm looking for the price to open above 44,000 level, and also this is the zone where we have got trapped shorts. Okay, so I'm expecting, so if the 44,000 level breaks or 43,930 level breaks, I'm expecting some responsive buying at this level, and I'll be looking to see if this particular stops are being taken out or not. So that's what the overall trade plan, or the plan of action is for today. The pre-open data is out, so I'll just so we are opening 77 points up. 44,000 again is the level where I said is an important reference level. So overall the auction is opening flat, or it's opening within the previous day's range. We are opening above the 44,000 level, and from the smaller time frame chart I'm seeing that we have trapped sellers. So this is where I'm looking for some responsive buying, because this is where I'm expecting some responsive buying, and currently I'm looking for a balance zone. So okay, so these are the zones where I'll be looking and observing the reactions. of how the price is developing. Okay, so as we are opening like 77 points up, right? So the close in futures is 23 plus 70. So assume so 5, 6, 7. So we are going to open around 44.80 level. Okay, and that is a reference level which I have. So what I'm now going to look at is, does supply come around this level or not? Because first of all, 44,100 is a round number where I'm expecting supply to again step in, and above this level we have got some trapped buyers. Okay, and even if you look at the order flow chart, so this the high which was made, there are about good amount of trapped buyers. That's where the supply came in. And if I just minimize this chart, right, so we also have a bubble, right? So all this is giving me hints that these are the zones where I should be looking for responsive selling. Below 44,022 is the zone where I should be looking for responsive buying. Okay, but primarily I'll be observing at this smaller levels, which I've just broken it down, and see the reaction, and based on that, I'll be taking the trades. Okay, so that is what the overall plan is. So I'll just repeat again. We are going to open around 44,080 level, 44,080. So where is 44,000? So 44. So I have a 44,082 reference level here. So this is where I'm looking for the auction to open, and I'll be seeing whether we get rejection, because if we get a rejection, then we are going to move lower, and I'll be looking to see the price cycling towards the 43,930 or even the 44,000 level. Okay, so I'm expecting responsive selling and continuation to 44,930. If that does not happen, then I'm looking for continuation and see if we see some sideways development at the 44,100 level. And if I just look at, zoom in, so we have got trapped supply here, and 4480 is the zone where, so this is where 44,100 where I'm seeing trapped buyer, and here we have got some unfinished auction. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm looking for some responsive selling, and we'll see how the price opens and where it reacts. Okay, so let me just note down the pre-open data, and in the meantime, if you have got any questions, just do let me know. Okay, so parallelly I'll also log into my trading account. I was getting chopped off Friday, and the reason is I was just too short biased, and I was not able to decode or understand the market generated information, which it was telling me that you can expect a good short covering rally. Okay, so currently in my trading account, the funds which are available are 21,600 out of 25,000 sort of. Yeah, so this is the overall funds which are available, and I'll be looking to see for some and I'll see if I can play with, because the mistakes which I'm making is I'm as soon as the price or my trade comes into profit, I start trailing my SL, and my SL is 2 points, so that gets hit, so that is the reason why at the end of the day I end up taking multiple trades. So I'm just trying to figure a process around it, and how I can trade and manage the risk more efficiently and effectively. Okay, so the time is 9:13. In next 1 minute the price auction will open. Okay, so again repeating, so what I'm seeing is I'm looking for supply to come in at 4482 levels. If I see some sideways development, then that means that the supply is shutting off, and we can expect either the price to move at the 44,234 levels or this to break. So for me, if it is just chopping within this range, I'll not be looking to take any trades. And also today is a holiday in US, so expect some sideways movement to be happening. There is also some Fed speech coming out tomorrow. So today is 19th. Tomorrow is some Fed speech happening. So yeah, again some Fed Cook testimony. Yeah, so again an eventful week. So just trade, trade, trade very, very carefully. Okay, and if I just look at the OI data, yeah, so 44,000 is still acting as the level of resistance. So now I'm looking for this price to break. Okay, so the auction has opened and I have found supply at the 4480 level, and what I'm seeing is it should continue lower. Let me just look at the order flow data. So we are developing lower, and this is also the previous week's low. So good amount. So this is where I was expecting supply. It is opening, so we are seeing good continuation lower. Now I'm looking for this levels to be created, because this is where we'll be seeing some responsive buying. Okay, you see here, this is where we are getting some responsive buying. Okay, this is where I'm looking for some responsive buying. We are seeing some responsive buying, and some supply has come in, but yeah, still not big volumes have came in. So I'm looking at 44,054 and see, if that level breaks or not. So there is supply present below this level, and now they will be trying to take the prices lower. So we saw supply at 4482. The trade is developing as per my, the price is developing as per my understanding. So we are hovering around the 44,000 level. Okay, and now I'm looking for continuation lower. Nope, it's not. So we are seeing some bid coming in at this level, and we have got some trapped sellers. Okay, so there is a bid which is absorbing the supply at this level. So I'm waiting for this particular level to be broken. But we do, yeah, so we did saw supply coming in at this level, and the supply is getting absorbed right now. So we have got some trapped supply. Okay, so we saw supply shutting off around the previous day's close. And I took a call trade immediately, and my 5-point SL just got hit. Okay, so yeah, so this is how I'm trailing my SL. I'm gonna buy one more one more call, and I'm looking for continuation higher now. So my buy price is 411, and it is also getting hit. Okay, the reason is, for buying a call is I'm seeing a bid at this particular level. Okay, so short covering is seen and I'm just trailing my SL. Okay, and my SL got hit. Okay, so I captured 415 to 431. So again, the logic behind this is I saw supply shutting off here. There is a bid here. That's why. So my first two trades, the call trades, I'll just show you my trading terminal again. Okay. So the first trade which I entered at 413, the 5-point SL got hit. Then second trade again, the SL got hit. And this is where I started trailing and the SL got hit. This is where, it worked out and I captured something around 15 odd points. Okay. And it is still, so this was 43,700, right? 431. I don't know why. So now it has started to fall. Okay. So I was lucky enough to get out of the trade, but now I'm seeing supply is pretty strong enough. So I have entered a put trade. My buy price is 267. SL is 263. So 5. So I'm just trailing my SL. Okay, and now it got hit. Again, the logic is quite simple. I'll just reiterate, but I was able to capture somewhere around 2% trade. So this was a level where initially I saw supply shutting off and there was a bid. That's why I entered a call trade and supply, then there was a failure of supply. So the first two call trades failed and the third call trade worked out. Now, the reason why I took a put trade is the price immediately moved lower below this level. So that gave me confidence that the bid which was here, it has gone away. So now supply is pretty strong. So that's why I entered and I was looking at supply to again reinitiate at the previous day's close. So that's where I entered the trade and I entered around 267. And then we had a good fall and I was just trying to trail. So the SL which I have kept is 5-point SL. So overall I have captured about sort of 2% and taken about 1, 2, 3 and 4 trades. Okay, 4 trades 2% is a good I would say an amazing way to start your trading day, and today being a Monday. I'm again seeing that supply is definitely shutting off around this level and we had a good absorption. So that's how I'm trying to decode and understand where is the bid, and this bid ask line actually they help me. So now if you see, we have got a supplier, we have got a short, we have got some supply. Now I'm expecting continuation lower, failure of continuation lower. That gives me market generated information that the supply is not strong enough and the supply is getting absorbed. So overall, from the delta chart, order flow chart, we are seeing a lot of supply which is already there. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this is the zone, a choppy zone where it is just chopping off, but I'll just wait. So for me, this is the level, this is the level where I'm expecting supply to come in again, and then it should take prices lower. And also this is where I was seeing some responsive, I was looking for some responsive buying, a buyer to be present. And that's where the absorption was seen. Okay, so now if you see here, supply is coming exactly to the tick from my level. Okay, and now the price is moving lower. So you can take a short keeping your SL at this level. Okay, and target this particular zone. Okay, so this is the SL and this is the target. So this is a quick scalp which you can take. And also we have a 44,000 level here. So here, you can expect some responsive buying happening. So you can exit. So this can be your target 1 and this can be your target 2. So we are now, so there is a bid here. You saw that this green line is a bid line. So this is where bid is present. Okay, so do we see continuation to 44,000? So does it break? Yes, it is breaking up. So this trade is also working out well. Now I did not execute it, but I just wanted to share you how I am taking the trades, and this particular level is broken and we are having continuation. Okay, and also good supply is also coming into the system. Okay, now I'm looking for 43,930 to be tagged. So I'm just looking to see if this level is being taken out or not. Okay, so yeah, a good day starting Monday. This is the funds 21,603 and I have taken 4 trades. Call trade I was able to capture 115 and put trade I was able to capture 462. So put trade is where I made some good returns. Okay, so overall 2% is what I have captured it right from the market open. Okay, yeah, so I'm just close this and let me just hit refresh to this chart so that we get a timer. So the timer is here. Okay, so now if you see, this is where there is some trapped seller and we are now going above, the price is developing higher. So again, 44,000 is an important reference level. So this is where the reason why we are getting long wicks is this is a psychological number and supply is shutting off at this level. Okay, so failure for price to continue below 989 level is give me a hint that not a good sign. So 44,000, so the price is going to chop around this zone. Okay, so if you want to take a trade, wait for 44 or 22 to be broken out, or this particular 939 to be broken out. Okay, so above this level is a long, below this level is a short, and we have a good trapped seller at this level. So yeah, 376. So we have got some good trapped short. Okay, and I'll just mark the stop level. So we have got a stop level here. We are still trading in the M period, that is the previous 15-minute, and if you see here again, we'll be seeing responsive buying at this level, and also there is a gap which is there. Okay, so you saw this, the price is not developing lower this level. So wait and watch, wait and watch and observe. Okay, so let me see if I have got any comments. No comments. So thank you again, and I'll just keep today session a bit short because I already captured about 2%. Instead of losing, I've captured it. So I'm just gonna work and focus on the other areas. Okay, and I'll just observe because these are the levels where I'm expecting again supply to reinitiate the trades. Okay, so thank you once again, and do let me know in your comments. Do like, share, subscribe if you are not a subscriber. And yeah, feel free to, if you would like to ask me any questions, or feel free to comment below. Yeah, okay, thank you, take care, bye for now, and I'll see you tomorrow.